What did I do? I selected a small text and artifact set. I presented that set in a sequence designed to sustain curiosity. I conducted an activity called a tea party, where they read the entire document, with each participant having a different part of the big document. Then I gave the entire class one important part, a tiny part, only 90 words, of that document. I placed them in groups for a forced choice activity that was a performance of that 90-word passage. They each selected a tone and were forced to perform the passage utilizing that tone. And by the way, I integrated a mini language lesson on adverbs as each group performed their piece, and I encouraged the groups to guess the tone that was assigned. Let's watch. Now, did you ever think you'd have so much fun with a treaty? Good job, man. Those were the fastest guesses that I have ever seen. Two things that I want you to know about this particular activity. The first thing I want you to think about is, given what you've done with the treaty so far, how many passes through this specific passage did you make? To do the rehearsal process, we did this in 15 minutes. It took 20 minutes for you to do this portion of this activity. We've been on the reading of the treaty for about 45 minutes right now. But do you see how many passes through? Would this be accessible to any child in your classroom? Every special education child could participate equally and completely with their peers. And there are ways that you can differentiate this even further.